Good morning, Year 2s, and today we're carrying on with our work on money this week. So today's session 9 is all about calculating total amounts. And with this, we need to be really good at adding amounts together. And this will stand us in really good stead for the work that we're going to do later on in the week, where it comes to giving change. Okay. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil. You might want the coins that you've had before, or you can draw coins, but there's going to be lots of adding in this session. Okay, here we go. So my first question to you is, I've got a sandwich that costs £3 and a toy lorry that costs £9. What is the total cost of the sandwich and the toy? You want to have a little go at doing that, and then on the next screen I will show you how we've worked that out. So remember, you can pause the video at any time to have a go at doing any of your workings out. Okay, so here is shown some working out. Just going to show my little pointer here. So here we can see that Sam buys a sandwich for £3 and he also buys the toy lorry for £9. So here is our £3. Oh, let's go back. And here is our £9. Now we have put them together in what's called a bar model. So you can see how they fit along in a line here. This is called a bar model. So you can see the £3 is here, and then we need to add on a £9. And this question mark tells us this is what we're trying to find out. This is the total amount. So 3 add 9 equals 12. Now we probably would write it the other way around, because we always put addition, we try and put addition first, because it's easier to think the highest amount first, because it's easier to add on the smaller amount. So we would do 9, 10, 11, 12. Sam pays £12 in all. He's paid for it with a £10 note and a £2 coin. We can check our answers by using a subtraction number sentence, where we could do 12 take away 9 equals 3, and 12 take away 3, which equals 9. So we know that our calculations are right. Okay, my next question for you. Hannah saves 40p on Monday. She saves 15p on Tuesday. She saves 30p on Wednesday. So the first question, which I want you to have a go at, how much in total does Hannah save on Monday? So let's be having a look. This is on Monday, she saves 40p, and on Tuesday, she saves 15p. Have a little go at working that out. Pause the video and I'll show you the answers in a minute. And then question B says, how much in total does Hannah save on the 3 days? So you've got 40p on Monday, 50p on Tuesday, 30p on Wednesday. If you've worked out these two on Monday and Tuesday, you would then just need to add this one on the Wednesday. Let's have a look and find out. Okay, let me just get rid of those lines for you here. Okay, so again, in my bar model, this is the 40p, this was from Monday, and this is from Tuesday. So we add these together, 40, add 15 equals 55p. So on Monday and Tuesday, she saves 55p. And now that we know the first part of this problem, we can put this in our second part of the bar model, because this is what she saves on all 3 days. So she saves 55p and then another 30p. So 55p plus 30p equals 85p. So our answer is 85p. Again, you can use all these coins to help you to be working them out, or you can just start to use some addition number sentences. Okay, let's come out of that. Oh. Okay, and this last bit here, let's just get rid of that one for you. This guided practice, I want you to have a go at doing this yourself and pause the video and have a go at working these out. And then I'm going to show you how I worked them out in a little while. Now, you might need to think about using column addition, which is what we spent a lot of time in the autumn term doing, and see if you can remember how to work that out. Okay, so the next part of my video will be showing you these answers. Good luck. Bye for now.
So we're going to practice working out these amounts here. So the first one we had was 45p plus 39p. Now we can get some coins together to work these out and add them together, but we could also work them out by adding the two amounts together to find the total. If you remember all the work that we did on column addition, we're going to lay it out with our tens and our ones. I'm going to put the two amounts in here. That's 45 and 39. Don't forget my add sign. Now, if you remember, we start with the one side first of all. These are the pence here. So I've got 5, add 9, or you put 9 in your head and count on 5, which comes to 14. That's 1 10 and 4 ones. If you remember, that's how we do it. We put the tens back into the tens column. Now we've got to add the tens together. So these are the tens here. So we've got 4 and 3 tens, which comes to 7 tens, plus the one at the bottom, which is 8 tens. So the total of 45p and 39p is 84 pence. Did you get that? Okay, our second one, which was the picture of the hamburgers. We had some hamburgers that were £2 each and some other sweets which were 45p each. Now we can see this time that these are pounds and that these are pence, but it's important that we add these pence up first because we don't know how many there is and it may go over the 100 mark, which would take us into the pounds, because remember there are 100 pennies in £1, so it does take us on to bigger numbers. So I'm going to work these two out in exactly the same way. So we've got 45p, add 45p. 5 and 5 we know makes 10. So the 110 we put in the tens column. And how many ones are there? 0 ones, because that's our 10. Now we add the tens. So 4, add 4, which is 8 tens, plus the one at the bottom, which makes 9 tens. So we can see that this is 90. It doesn't go over into the next column, into the hundreds column. So we can add these £2 together. 2 and 2 comes to £4 with a decimal point in the middle, 90 pence. So £4, 90 pence. Now this was just a short video from me today because what I'd like you to do is lots of practice of practical adding amounts together. So there'll be a follow-on activity for you to choose different amounts. You can either get the coins out and be adding the two amounts together, or you can practice your column addition skills by adding the two amounts. Okay, good luck with that. See you all soon. Bye.